Hey there, everybody. Nate Powell from FerociousBeard.com. Figured I'd update everybody with a couple of things that are happening here in our world over here in Fort Worth, Texas, and what's going on with FerociousBeard.com itself. So let's see. Locally, last week we went to Dapa Dams over here in North Richland Hills, which is just about 20 minutes or so from where I live here in Fort Worth. And I went over there because there was an event going on, including, there was a barbershop event going on, there was some tattooing going on, and there was also, they were giving away some bully dogs. Actually, not giving away, but they were selling bully dogs and getting the word out about bully dogs. And so I had actually never seen a bully dog before, so they were really cool. If you ever get a chance to check out what bully dogs are like, they kind of at first reminded me of a pit bull, but their heads were just huge. They're just huge. They're going to grow into huge dogs, but they're just adorable. And I just really loved the opportunity to meet these bully dogs and the people that were selling them. And there was also a custom car show too, which was kind of neat. It's actually where I got my Ferocious Beard tattoo. Probably the only one in the world with a Ferocious Beard tattoo at the moment. Talk about commitment to company. It's something I've started Ferocious Beard in 2017, and it's been a slow growth, but the arrow is going in the right way. We are growing little by little thanks to you. I really appreciate your business and your support, so thank you very much if you've purchased from Ferocious or supported us. I really cannot thank you enough for that. And I hope to grow more and more each and every day, and that's why things like this are designed to help get the word out about Ferocious and about what we offer and so forth. So regarding the tattoo that I got, one of the things that I've wanted to do for a while is have a tattoo healing balm. And about a month and a half ago, I started designing it. And the opportunity came up for me to get this tattoo at a really good deal. It's a really reduced rate because there was somebody who was giving out tattoos at the event. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to get me a Ferocious tattoo. So I waited. I was the last customer in line. The guy was really pretty busy, but I'm glad I did because it gave me a chance to get the tattoo that supports my company, and it also gave me the opportunity to really put to good use this tattoo balm that I created. And I created it from scratch with the explicit purpose of being safe for putting onto a tattoo that is fresh and allowing it to heal. I see a lot of balms that contain petroleum jelly, and just in doing research and just common sense myself, using petroleum jelly is really covering the tattoo to the point where it blocks air from getting into it. So I knew that I wanted to do something other than that. So my tattoo balm has shea butter, coconut oil, it's got 4 different carrier oils, all great for your skin and all natural. And then I also put lavender in it because lavender is, surprisingly enough, a natural pain defense. So basically, when you put that on, if your tattoo is hurting, if it's itching, it's going to help prevent that pain from getting stronger. And it does really work. I mean, I'm telling you, you put a little lavender oil in a balm on your tattoo that's just new, and the pain is going to go away. At least that's been my experience. So anyway, we've got the tattoo balm out now, and let me see, we're charging $12.95 for a 1-ounce glass bottle, or jar, I should say. And I've been using mine, and it's been really great the past week and a half using it on my tattoo with no issues whatsoever. Very little itch. Although now it's starting to itch a little more, but I just keep applying this maybe every 4 to 6 hours, and it works great. Let's see, we also have a couple other things going on right now. We've got a couple of products that are in development and are going to be released within the next few weeks. One of which is a completely brand new way to wash your beard, and it's not made for daily wash, but instead it's made for those times when you just don't have time to grab a quick shower, and yet you want to get all that gunk out of your hair or out of your beard from, you know, yesterday or earlier in the day. And it's a powder, and basically what you do is you put the powder into your hand and then massage it into your beard, and what's going to happen is the powder will absorb all the oils that are in your beard almost immediately. And then from there, you can then reapply new oil or new balm and go on about your day. It's not exactly quite as refreshing as a fresh shower, but it definitely helps absorb extra oil that you have in your beard. Especially another use case would be is, let's say you put too much oil in your beard. So what you can do is you can use this powder and you can just put it into your beard, and not a lot, just a little, and it's going to absorb majority of that oil that's remaining in your beard. So sometimes people have a tendency to put too much oil in their beard and then it looks a little greasy. So you can use this to basically absorb all that oil, that extra oil that you put into your beard, and get it back to the level that you want it to be at. So look for that to come out, and look for more details into the near future. That's coming out very soon. And then we also have, believe it or not, there's not many companies that do this, but I like the concept of it, and so I've decided we're going to have this as well. It's Ferocious Beard Jam. And what that is, yes, you heard me correctly, Ferocious Beard Jam. And what it is, it's kind of like a mix between an oil and a balm, and it's going to be in a squeeze container, and it's a 2 ounce. And what you do is you basically squeeze out the amount of this jam that you need for your beard, and it's really easy to apply. It stands up on its own container on the basically on the cap, and it's really convenient to carry with you. You can bring it with you. You can throw it in a gym bag. You can take it on a trip, or you can just keep it with you. And it's very easy to use. It's very easy to apply. It's very easy to squeeze out of the container. Just use as much as you need, and then just put the cap back on. It's a flip cap. And so look for that to come out soon. That's, again, Ferocious Beard Jam. And it's going to initially come in 3 different scents, our most popular scents. So we're going to have it in Fetish. We're going to have it in, well, let's see, what else will we have it in? We'll have it in Havana Getaway, which is our second, actually that's our most popular Havana Getaway. Fetish is second. And then I think just because I really like the scent, it's going to come in Lime Sublime. So look for that to come out again in the next few weeks. That should be ready for use. So I'm really excited about that. It means we're going to have an oil, a balm, the beard jam, and then we already have our heavy-duty wax. So between those 4 major products, that's a really nice lineup. So I'm really looking forward to getting your feedback on the jam as well as the other products that we have. So that's pretty much in a nutshell where Ferocious is currently. And if you have any questions for me, I'd love for you to send me an email. Go to ferociousbbeard.com and click on Contact Nate up there on the menu. Send me your questions and I will get to answering them the next time we meet. Thank you so much for your attention, guys. And remember, ferociousbeard.com. Great beards are ferocious.